Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm taking you along with me as I pack 3 orders that are ready to ship. But as I am packing, I want to have a heart-to-heart with you about my small business journey, the challenge I faced, and what I'm doing now to take my small business more seriously. Before I can even get started on packing these orders, there's something really important I need to take care of, and that is updating my inventory. Now I have my website and my Etsy shop, and keeping track of inventory across both platforms is kind of a juggling act. And because most of my sales now still come through Etsy, it's super important for me to have my Etsy and my website up to date when it comes to its inventory. It might seem like a small detail, but having an accurate inventory on both platforms is crucial. If I don't keep everything in sync, I risk overselling or disappointing customers, something that I definitely want to avoid. And when you're a small business, every customer counts and their trust is everything and so important. I used to think I could just wing it when it came to keeping track of my stock, but trust me, that's a recipe for chaos. There were many times that I would oversell on Etsy because I haven't updated my inventory, and it caused a lot of stress. Quickly, I had to order more fabric in order to make my scrunchie to get it out to my lovely customer. And I've learned that taking the time right now to just get all my inventory in place, counting them, even when it's such a tedious job, makes a huge difference in the long run. And making sure my inventory is accurate gives me a peace of mind. I know exactly what I have available, what's selling well, and what I need to restock. It's one of those small but significant steps towards taking my small business seriously. Okay, so now that my inventory is up to date on both my website and my Etsy, it's time to pack these orders. So this first order is headed to Lisa here in Germany. And running a small business isn't always as glamorous as it seems. It's not just about creating products or services that you're passionate about. It's also about the long hours, the uncertainties, the sometimes feeling like you're on your own. But every order reminds me why I'm doing this. And I'm really excited to show you something new I've been working on. And those are these packed on YouTube stickers. I designed and printed the stickers myself using my thermal printer. So if you receive a package with one of these stickers, keep an eye out. It might just be one of the orders I packed right here on the channel. So it's a small way to add a personal touch and to connect with all of you who support my business through my YouTube. Plus, it's a fun little surprise for my customers. This next order is a perfect example of how things can sometimes feel overwhelming, Balancing production, marketing, customer service, finance, and everything else can be a lot for just a one-person operation. And with multiple sales channels like Etsy and my website, there's a lot to manage. There have been times when I doubted whether I could do this, but as a small business owner, we all have those moments, right? I've realized that if I'm going to succeed, I have to treat this business like it is and not just a hobby. That means committing to better time management, setting realistic goals, and staying consistent even when things get tough. And speaking of products, these scrunchies have been a real hit lately. If you're looking for the perfect accessory to add a pop of color to your outfit or to keep your hair up in style, these scrunchies are it. They're handmade with love, super soft, and come in a variety of beautiful colors and patterns and fabrics. I've put so much thought into every detail from the fabric to the elastic, so they're not just cute, but they're comfortable and durable too. So whether you're grabbing one for yourself or as a gift for a friend or family member, these scrunchies are the perfect way to treat yourself to something special. And the best part? You can grab them directly from my website. Just head over to knitsandknotshaven.de. This third order is special because it marks a turning point for me. I'm officially committing to making this business work. That means putting in the effort every single day, even when it's hard. No more excuses, no more putting it off. It's not going to be easy, and I know there will be struggles ahead, but I'm ready to face them head on. I believe in what I'm doing and I believe in myself. And I know that with a little bit of hard work and a lot of passion, I can make this small business something truly amazing. So there you have it, 3 orders packed, my inventory that is 100% correct, and everything is ready to go. Each order represents a step forward in my small business journey. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting me and for joining me on this adventure. If you're running your own small business, just know that you're not alone. We're all in this together. And remember, if you ever receive a package with one of these packed on YouTube stickers, keep an eye out, because you might see your order being packed right here on the channel. And once again, if you want to check out these scrunchies and many other products that I have, please visit knitsandknotshaven.de. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see you rocking your new scrunchie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next chapter of my journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.